So hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, this is what you are going to design. Yes, this is what you are going to design, and it's really amazing church flyer I created using our Photoshop 2025 version. And if this seems to be interesting to you, and if you want to really learn how I created this using the Photoshop 2025 version, then join me and let's go and create this flyer. Yes, so without wasting much time, I have all the resources file here. Let me show it to you. I have them here, and they will be there for you to download and practice along. Yes, it will be available for you to download and practice along. And those of you who want the free PSD file as well, check out the link. Will be available for you to download, edit, and then use it for free. So without wasting much time, Control N on the keyboard to open a new panel. Yes, so Control N is done. We are using a size of 2000 by 2000, and let's give it a title. So church flyer. Yes, a church flyer. And then if it's okay, we are using a 2000 by 2000 size, resolution 300, RGB, color mode. If everything is okay, click on create, and then you have a nice interface like this with me. So to begin with, let's start with working with the background. So I have the resources files here as I've told you. So drag this white background and then drop it in Photoshop, and then release it this way, and then you wait for it to appear. Okay, so let's go back again. Go to files, go to place embedded, and then let's locate where the resources are, then add it into it. Hold Alt and then scale it up a bit like this, then push it up. Yes, we don't want all the parts. Yes, so we push it up to this place, then press enter, then go go to filter, go to blur, and then Gaussian blur, and blur it like 10 pixels is okay. So click on OK. Perfect. Then let's go to filter fast again, go to place embedded, and then let's select the next background, which is this, then add it. Still hold Alt and then increase it this way, drag it down a bit like this. Perfect, this is okay. Press enter, and then let's go to filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur, then blur it still 10 pixel is okay. Then let's add put it on this hard light is okay. Blending mode should be the hard light. All right, blending mode should be hard light. Then go again, filter, files, then go to place embedded, then you select this, add it, and boom, it appears. Now go to blending option again and set it to, let's go through and see. Definitely we'll get one which will be okay for our design. All right, definitely we'll get one which is okay for our design. Let's start again, go through one after the other, and then let's see, and I'm sure this will be much better. Yes, this will be much better. Or let's still go through and see if we have another one which will be much better than the other. Okay, and I think this is okay. All right, then let's still filter, blur, and Gaussian blur, and 10 pixels or 20 pixels is awesome. All right, yes, and then you add the layer mask to it. Click inside the layer mask, press B on the keyboard, change the foreground color to color black. Okay, color black, and then start brushing this side. Yeah, start brushing this side. All right, then we are adding a color lockup. Yes, go to the color lockup panel and then go and add it. Okay, if you don't have it, I have a link for you to download it, and it's free. It's not for sale. I'm not selling it. Other people are selling it, but I am not selling it. It's for you for free. So it's here, and let's add going for a walk, then load it, and boom, this is exactly what we want. Now let's put everything in a group. Okay, put everything in a group. All right, so select this one, and put everything in a group. Control J and then call it BG or background. BG is okay. Then the next details is to write the text. Okay, so hit T on the keyboard. Yes, hit T on the keyboard and then write join us. Okay, so join us, then press enter, and let's go and change the font. Yes, so let's use autograph font is okay. Perfect. And then let's see if 30 is okay. Size 30 should be okay. Change the VR to 0 and then press V again, then position it at the center this way. All right, now Control J or Control J to duplicate it and then push it down using the arrow keys. Push it down. Then I've typed the details over here. Join us this and every Sunday. Control C to copy it. Okay, then come and double click inside the text panel. Then Control V to paste it. Join us this and every Sunday. Let's go and change that font to maybe Poppins is okay. So change it to Poppins and change all to caps and reduce the size to 20. 20 should be okay, or 10. 10 is best. And so let's make it 15. And 15 is okay. Now change to maybe a semi-bold. Yes, change it to semi-bold and then close the VR a bit. Close the VR. It's too wide open. It's too wide open. So this is okay. Perfect. Once it's aligned, Control A to select it and then you center it. Perfect. Now click on the join us to and then center it. Perfect. Control D to deselect it. And then join us must come down a bit. Join us this and every Sunday. Okay, so then the next thing is we have to add the 3D text effect. So drag it, or better still, go there, go to file, then go to place embedded. Then be adding them small. So join Dominion. So select it this way and then push it up. All right, push it up. Now I think it's not in the center. Good, this is real in the center. Go to file again, then place embedded, and then let's select the details, the next details. Where is it? Yes, so place, and then it's placed over there. Perfect. This is exactly what we did. So this is it. All right, so let's continue. I think the join us and these details must come down a bit. It's too at the top. Yes, it must come down a bit. And then I think join us, we need to change the color. So go to the character and then change the color. I think we use something like this. Yes. Perfect. Let's make it bold. Yes. Good. And this one, let's see if we can change the color a bit. No, let's make it this. Perfect. It's communicating well. Or you can make it something like this, or better still, this is okay. All right, or you can maintain the black. Okay, you can maintain the black. All right. Then I think all two have to be in a group. So Control J to put it in a group and then call it main text. Okay, so main text is set and done. Then the next is you are going to introduce the image. If you look at the real design, this is it. So you are going to introduce the image. So go to file again, then place embedded, and then go and add your image. All right, so place it over there like this nicely. Then remove background. I'm using the Photoshop 2025 version, so you have the opportunity to remove background at once. Okay, so the background has been removed, so Control T to select it, and then we scale it up a bit. So increase the size, then position it at this point. Okay, position it at this point, and then press enter to check it. Right? Okay, so they position it at this point, and let's see. I think we need to do some work. Go to filter, then go to camera raw filter. Then let's brighten the image up a bit. It's too dark. So wait for the camera raw filter to load. Okay, please subscribe to this channel, like, share. Subscribe to this channel, like, share. So the camera raw filter is set. All right, the camera raw. All right, so let's see. All right, so camera raw filter again, then let's adjust it. So go to black, increase the blacks, then texture. Let's increase the texture to this, and I think clarity too must go, and then this to, I think we need to increase it, and I think if it's okay, click on OK. All right, so click on OK, and it's applied to the image. Perfect, this is okay. Then the rest of the details is adding the date, time, and then the names. Okay, adding the date, times, and the name. So we are going to add the name, Control C to copy it, and then T on the keyboard at this point. No, so hit here and then put it at this point. So we are going to paste it. Yes, we have copied the name already, so Control V to paste the name. All right, good, and it's set. All right, so close up the leading a bit, and then let's see, I think this is okay. 14 should be okay. Then go and copy the pastel, Control C to copy it, and then being on the keyboard, hold Alt and then drag this name up to copy it. Double click it, Control V to paste it, and go and change the font to autograph. Yes, autograph personal. Then change from caps, increase the size to 20. Perfect. Use the arrow key and then bring it down. Yes, adjust it, and I think this is okay. Then the rest of the details follow, such as the date, time, as you are seeing at the other design. Yes, so this is it. And without wasting much time, I think let's go there straightforward to go and pick it straightforward and come and put it over there. All right, yes, so we just pick everything and then drag it this way. No, pick this one. Where is it? So let's go and select everything. Okay, then we move it to this point, and then we place it over here, and then let's position it where, and I think this is okay. And after that, let's make some adjustments. So Control G to put it in a group. Okay, so this one to select it, and then Control G and put it in a group. So the background is set. The main text should go up a bit, so that, yes, and then the name and the image should also go up a bit. After that, you adjust the names. Okay, you adjust the name. So come and select the name and then bring it to this point a bit. Yes, I think this is okay. Then close it up again. Then these details must go up too. All right. So after that, we went again to add a camera raw filter again. Yes, add a camera raw filter again. So once I've said it already. If you don't have it, check up the link and then download it. It's for free. I'm not selling it. Yes, it's for free. Then go to the blending option and then blend it to a nice something that you want. Okay, yes, so let's go through. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. Subscribe, like and share, and your comments are also really important. I need your comments so that we'll know if we are improving or we are however you are seeing it. Okay, so color dodge is okay. And guys, okay, so this is how we're able to achieve this. And as I said, I'll post this PSD file for you to download and edit it. And if you want this one, as well as if you want the resources file for you to practice it as well too, all will be available for you to download and practice. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now.